Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram video and Reels. So first of all, open Instagram account. So first select a Reels video. Now I'm selecting this Reels video. Tap on copy link and go back. Open up Google search bar and type here to Instagram video downloader. Select a first link and just need to paste here the copied link. Download video, and now starting the download file, and already download be done. And now I'm checking my phone gallery. Okay, now successfully download Instagram video and Reels. So that's how you can easily download Instagram video and Reels. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.